Welcome to the tutorial for Caring Support's Resume Builder. Before we get started, if you haven't already created your Caring Support account, make sure you go do it. It's free. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Update your profile. Make sure your Caring Support profile is up to date, as this is the information that will populate inside the Resume Builder tool. Filling in your profile until this bar reaches at least 90% or higher will earn you this flame icon beside your name, which lets employers know that your profile is fully filled out when they're browsing for potential employees. Having this flame beside your name will also help to ensure that your resume is full of all the right information when you submit it to prospective employers. When your profile is fully filled out, you're going to want to scroll back to the top of the page and press the Build Resume button. This is where things get fun. Step 2. Make your selections. Use these checkboxes to select the information that you want to showcase on your resume. Remember that you can create multiple resumes to apply to different jobs. As you click on parts to add to your resume, it will actually populate on the right-hand side of the screen. So as you can see, I'm clicking on PSW, I'm adding in my college diploma, I'm going to add in my certificates as well. I'm going to make sure that I add in a whole bunch of skills. And the skills section, you can have a maximum of 15 entries. You can write your own or pick from a list of ones that are already there. You can choose your language. So if you're English proficient, make sure you have yes there. If you have other languages that you speak, make sure you include them as well. And whether or not you are willing to relocate, and if you're eligible to work in Canada. Once you pick all of your information, it's going to populate over here on the right side of the screen. You'll be able to have an in-depth look at what your resume is going to look like when it is all done. So take a moment to go through it and make sure that it looks how you want it to look. Then when you're ready, you're going to go down to the bottom of the resume preview and you're going to hit this Generate Resume button. Step 3 is where you're going to save and export your resume. But before you do that, you get to do something really cool with the resume itself. This is where you get to choose from one of 3 color palettes that Caring Support has put into their resume builder for you. Pick one that speaks to you, and then when you're ready, you're going to click the teal Save Resume button. And this button will allow you to save your completed resume directly to your Caring Support profile and download it as a PDF for when you need to print it out and take it with to an interview. That didn't look that hard, now did it? So what are you waiting for? Go get to it.